are at Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. Look who I got behind me here. Got my buddy Jensen there. Got my son Hunter. Hunter here is going to be we'll call him the distractor. He's going to sit here. You can see all the ducks down there. They're waiting. You see the one with the afro on his head? That one's pretty cool. Anyways, I saw this geocache on the map, and on our way through town, we're actually heading to Gettysburg right now, and we have to head down into there to get it. So I'm suspecting we have to get down in there. So you got your lantern, Jensen? Yeah. We're gonna get rolling here. Well, here we are. This is definitely the tightest one I've ever been in. There's my little buddy Jensen.
Is there snakes in here?
No. This is gonna be killer on my back, so we gotta get this done. What will we find, buddy? Look it. There it is, hanging right there. Why don't you come on over here and just unscrew it. Here, I'll hold the light. Unscrew the bottom from the top. See that? There you go. Alright guys, so we just did a culvert pipe cache. And this is Jensen's first geocache. What do you think of this, buddy?
Cool.
Yeah. And Jensen. Alright. We'll roll this back up. And now we just save it for the next guy, right?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here. We're on top of where the geocache is, and we had a loaf of bread in the car, so we have the kids feeding the ducks.
There you are, Afro.
And there's a weird little duck right there with an afro on his head. I don't know what's going on with that one.
Might be a girl.
So what a fun start to a weekend. Hey Jensen, is this a fun start to a weekend or what?
It actually started today.
What have we done so far today? Alright. And you like geocaching so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that your first one?
Yeah.
How was your first experience?
Awesome.
Alright.
So let me slip away. So let me slip away. So let me slip against the current. So let me slip away. So let me slip